రామకృష్ణ మిషన్ స్థాపించి 125 ఏళ్లు పూర్తయిన సందర్భంగా ఏడాది పాటు నిర్వహించిన కార్యక్రమాలు హైదరాబాదు రామకృష్ణ మఠంలో ముగిశాయి. స్వామి బోధనామయానంద అధ్యక్షతన వహించిన ఈ సదస్సులో పద్మభూషణ త్రితండ్రి చినజీర స్వామి పాల్గొన్నారు. 11వ శతాబ్దంలో రామానుజాచార్యుడు ప్రతిపాదించిన వేదాంత దర్శనం విశిష్టమైనదని, ఇక విశిష్టాద్వైతం గురించి చినజీర స్వామి వివరించారు. సాకారుడైన నారాయణుడు పరబ్రహ్మమైన భగవంతుణ్ణి తత్వము ప్రతిపాదించాడని చెప్పారు. రామానుజాచార్యుడు ఆనాడే హరిజనులకు దేవాలయాల ప్రవేశం చేయించి అందరినీ సమానంగా చూశారని చినజీర స్వామి తెలిపారు.
The Western world is not much exposed towards the Vedic culture. It is Sri Vivekananda Swami who spoke about the Vedic concepts and also about the truths that are embedded in the Vedic literature to the world of scholars. There is no doubt that Vedic concepts are known to the Western worlds as well, even before Vivekananda Swami. But anything born here goes out, takes a stamping, comes back, and will be recognized by the local people. I think the same thing happened even with Srila Prabhupada Swami also. When he was here for longer times, nobody was able to understand the concept of bhakti, devotion. But when he went to Boston, when he spent some time there, and when he was recognized by the people there, and when he became very, very famous there, and then when he came back to Bharat, then people started adoring him, following him. Ramakrishna Mission did a lot in the society where there are elite who are seeking to understand the truths of the Vedic concepts. And we have to thank those great founders and those great the gurus who brought those concepts into the light from Beluru Mutt, and they propagated those things across the world. To talk about the Vedic concepts, not in terms of what school of thought that you are practicing, but we need to know the commonalities. As Pandurangiji said, we need to understand the common ideology of all the schools of thought, because the schools of thought what we have today are not actually took a shape to quarrel with each other. They are different ideologies to understand the